Welcome to M Health and Info, your ultimate source for all things health and wellness. Join us as we explore the latest in medical science, debunk health myths, and provide expert insights to empower you on your health and wellness journey. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's explore the world of well-being together. This is M Health and Info, where knowledge meets vitality.
The relationship between the brain and mental health is intricate and multifaceted, with the brain playing a central role in regulating emotions, thoughts, behaviors, and overall psychological well-being. Here's an exploration of this relationship. Neurotransmitter regulation. Neurotransmitters. The brain relies on chemical messengers called neurotransmitters to transmit signals between neurons, nerve cells, and regulate various physiological processes, including mood, cognition, and behavior. Imbalances in neurotransmitter levels, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, have been implicated in the development of mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Serotonin and mood. Serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter due to its role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and stress response. Decreased serotonin levels have been associated with depression and anxiety disorders, while medications that increase serotonin activity, e.g., selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, are commonly used to treat these conditions. Brain structure and function. Limbic system. The limbic system, a collection of brain structures involved in emotion, motivation, and memory, plays a crucial role in mental health. The amygdala, hippocampus, and prefrontal cortex are key components of the limbic system that regulate emotional responses, fear conditioning, and cognitive processes related to decision-making and impulse control. Dysfunction within the limbic system has been implicated in mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Neuroplasticity. The brain's remarkable ability to adapt and reorganize in response to experiences, known as neuroplasticity, is essential for learning, memory formation, and emotional regulation. Environmental factors, stress, trauma, and early life experiences can shape brain structure and function, influencing susceptibility to mental health disorders later in life. Stress response. Hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, HPA, axis. The HPA axis, a complex neuroendocrine system involving the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and adrenal glands, plays a central role in the body's response to stress. Chronic stress can dysregulate the HPA axis, leading to prolonged activation of the stress response and disruption of neurotransmitter balance, contributing to the development of anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders. Effects on brain structure. Prolonged exposure to stress hormones like cortisol can have detrimental effects on brain structure and function, particularly in regions involved in emotion regulation and cognitive control. Chronic stress has been associated with reduced hippocampal volume, impaired neurogenesis, and alterations in synaptic plasticity, increasing vulnerability to mood disorders and cognitive decline. Genetics and epigenetics. Genetic predisposition. Genetic factors play a significant role in determining susceptibility to mental health disorders, with heritability estimates ranging from 30% to 80% for conditions such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and major depression. Numerous genes have been implicated in psychiatric disorders, influencing neurotransmitter function, synaptic connectivity, and neural circuitry involved in emotional regulation and cognition. Epigenetic modifications. Epigenetic mechanisms, which involve changes in gene expression without alterations to the underlying DNA sequence, play a crucial role in mediating the effects of environmental factors on brain function and mental health. Stress, trauma, diet, and lifestyle factors can induce epigenetic modifications that influence neuronal plasticity, stress responsiveness, and vulnerability to psychiatric disorders. Treatment and intervention. Psychopharmacology. Psychotropic medications, including antidepressants, antipsychotics, mood stabilizers, and anxiolytics, target neurotransmitter systems and neural circuits implicated in mental health disorders. These medications help alleviate symptoms by restoring neurotransmitter balance, modulating receptor activity, and enhancing neuroplasticity within key brain regions. Psychotherapy. Psychotherapeutic interventions, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, and mindfulness-based therapies, aim to modify maladaptive thought patterns, regulate emotional responses, and promote coping skills to manage mental health symptoms effectively. Psychotherapy can induce neurobiological changes in the brain, including alterations in synaptic connectivity, functional connectivity, and neural activity patterns associated with symptom improvement and recovery. Understanding the complex interplay between brain function, neurotransmitter regulation, genetic predisposition, environmental influences, and psychosocial factors is essential for advancing our understanding of mental health disorders and developing personalized interventions that target underlying neurobiological mechanisms. By integrating neuroscience research with clinical practice, we can improve the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental health disorders and enhance overall psychological well-being.